The live streamer for Heroes is compatible with the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, with the 8 Black Edition, with the 9 Black Edition, as well as with the GoPro Max 360 degrees camera. The GoPro cameras communicate via Bluetooth low energy profile with the laptop. So the first step is to make sure that we have installed a Windows version which supports this low energy profile. Therefore we go to the Windows settings, System, here we scroll down to About, and to this Windows specifications, and here the version has to be 1706 or higher. So the first step is the pairing of the camera. Therefore we turn on the camera and select Preferences, Connections, Connect Device, GoPro app. And in Windows we go to the settings, here to the Bluetooth section. Here we select Add Bluetooth device, Bluetooth, and here we select our camera. Now the camera appears in the list of paired devices. The next step is important. We exit the pairing mode and start it again. And now we start our live stream app, add the camera, click on connect, when the camera is connected we click on pair. This step is only required once the first time when you connect the camera with a notebook. Next we set up the live streaming. First we have to add a Wi-Fi network. New. Here we select this one. Click on save. Here we have to enter the RTMP server address. For instance, a YouTube live streaming address, resolution. Now we are ready for streaming. We start the live stream mode on the camera. The camera is now setting up the live streaming mode. Now it's ready. We can start streaming. Camera streaming. Let's take a look at the YouTube streaming console. You can see that we are live. When we are finished with streaming, you can stop the streaming mode and power off the camera.